Lending Tower Debt Resolution Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Lending Tower Debt Resolution is a debt resolution program primarily targeting individuals overwhelmed with unsecured debt, such as credit card debt, personal loans, and medical bills. A core feature is its individualized debt management plan, crafted after a thorough financial assessment. This assessment considers your income, debt levels, and spending habits to determine the most suitable resolution strategy. Lending Tower primarily offers debt settlement, negotiating with creditors to reduce your overall debt balance. They may also offer debt consolidation loans through partner lenders, but this is contingent on your creditworthiness. Key strengths include their experienced negotiation team, dedicated account managers who provide ongoing support, and the potential for significant debt reduction. Their fees are performance-based, meaning you only pay if they successfully negotiate a settlement. However, there are significant weaknesses to consider. Debt settlement negatively impacts your credit score, potentially remaining on your credit report for up to 7 years. Creditors are not obligated to negotiate, and there's a risk of lawsuits if negotiations fail. The program requires consistent monthly deposits into an escrow account, which can be challenging for individuals with tight budgets. Furthermore, settled debt may be subject to taxation as forgiven debt. Lending Tower is best suited for individuals facing genuine financial hardship with substantial unsecured debt and a willingness to accept the potential credit damage associated with debt settlement. It's not ideal for those with good credit or manageable debt levels. A crucial point is that debt resolution companies cannot guarantee specific outcomes, and results vary based on individual circumstances and creditor policies. Before enrolling, carefully review their contract, understand all associated fees, and consider alternative solutions like debt management plans or credit counseling, which offer less credit risk. My final thoughts are, Lending Tower can be a viable option for specific individuals, but thorough due diligence and a realistic understanding of the risks are paramount. Explore all available options and seek professional financial advice before committing to any debt resolution program. Remember to independently verify their accreditation and check for any complaints filed against them with consumer protection agencies.